Welcome to another crappy Wookie unboxing. Got something I've been holding on to for the past month. Haven't really had a chance to, in a timely fashion, get to them because they didn't all come at once, and I had to wait like 3 weeks for one of them. But anyways, a little over a month ago, Nickelodeon released a set of figures to appeal to all the now grown-up kids that grew up with their shows, and cashing in on a very popular thing right now, memes. And what's the most popular Nickelodeon memes? Spongebob memes. That's right. 6 final figures. As a Harley Davidson goes outside. And quite honestly, I really got no words. I'm just gonna let them talk for you. I bought 3 of them because I'm an idiot. But anyways, here's the first one. Let me get my cat away. Spongebob from the episode where now I'm really showing my lack of SpongeBob knowledge. I should have researched this prior, but basically, episode where Squidward goes to try to find himself some peace without being around SpongeBob and Patrick, and travels to the past and in the future, and of course, meets Spungar and Patgar. And a classic shot of the meme where Spungar is kind of caught reacting in kind of popular reaction meme, as we can call it. They are produced by a company called the Alpha Group, based in Aldi Industrial Area, Wenguan Road, Shanghai, Shantou, Guangdong, China. Or Alpha Group US LLC in El Segundo, California. And they even gave the phone number to the Alpha Group. Made in China, 2018 Alpha Group. So obviously they were working on these for a little bit as we series 1, as I try to get this thing into focus a little bit. There we go. Series 1. So this was a success. They sold out within a day, and they had to commission new ones, which is why mine took so long. So yeah, they're definitely planning on more figures in the future. Yeah. Masterpiece meme, or Masterpiece meme, as you can see, as I struggled to get this in frame. Let's dig in and look at poor old Spungar. So we dig in here with the scissors. Actually quite easy to get into. A little couple pieces of, well, initially they're easy to get to, as you will see as I break into Spungar. In it is just a little masterpiece memes. You can collect them all. And then, well, I'm not gonna spoil that. But basically, it shows all 6 figures. I'll show you which other 2 I got. This one kind of got a little beat up in transit, unfortunately. But I'm going to be showcasing them on the shelf and not in their boxes, because I am a madman. And then, as you can see, the back and paper diorama, a bunch of very highly stylized SpongeBob illustrations. Looks like a lot, almost like a straight up Ren and Snippy style illustration. So interesting. But anyways, this is the part where it's not so easy to get into. The plastic backing, and of course this is probably like the smallest pieces Actually, that one was one of the easier ones to get into. And Spongebob fall over. That's not a good sign. So we get him in frame. And try to adjust my get you in focus, Spongebob. As you can see, is a vinyl figure. Very soft. Well, it's a very soft plastic. Instead of being a big chunk of solid plastic, it's hollow, painted. Come up here. We look at some of the details. Yes, Mangar. Look at the, and in the crotch there is serial numbers. You can see some painting details around. So that is Spongebob. We're going to shove him to the side right over there while we bring in the next victim, Shock Patrick. We get him in all his glory. This is just a big old chunk of plastic. We got a butt crack. Did not expect that out of Patrick. Well, out of the final figure. But here we go. In all his painting's actually pretty well done. As I try to get him, because I'm an idiot and I don't got an auto zoom camera. As you look at the details of the painting, once again in the crotch there's a serial number. There's an ass crack. That'll probably keep me from getting monetization. Shove him over there. I don't know why they keep it landing like that. And we can bring in the last victim. Oh wow, really tall. Doesn't even fit in. Doesn't even fit in camera. But handsome Squidward. Close up of his manly chest hair. And I gotta actually look at him. Look at him. Look at how glorious, handsome Squidward is, and his bikini one piece. The belt. Oh, look at this. Look at it. Elegant. And of course, this one actually comes with a stand to, because obviously having a figure like this try to stand up on its own is going to be very difficult. But those are the 3 of the meme figures I purchased. Try to get them all on camera. And I have a feeling that's going to be a common issue with this Spongebob. He's standing for now. But anyways, as I get them into focus a little bit, there you go. There you go. I move the camera around because I don't understand framing. But anyways, those are 3 figures I bought. They also came out with a so I try to do this try to get this in focus. But anyways, there is a Imagination Spongebob, as this is still struggling to get in focus. There we go. That works a little bit. The chicken Spongebob, the mocking Spongebob. And then another handsome Squidward. I don't know why they opted for 2. It's the same figure except for one has the eyes painted shut and the other has the eyes open. And obviously this is only series 1, so they plan on making more. But these are just the 3 I plan on having, just because I collect random stupid stuff. But anyways, those are an unboxings and look at the Spongebob meme figures. Anyways, if this is, you'd like to see more of this crap, as I struggle to come up with words to respond to the crap I buy, if you want to look at possibly glorious Mike Harmon hero cars, like and subscribe to Wookie Automotive TV, and I also do car reviews. But anyways, just look at Mike. I'm just gonna end on this shot right here. Good night, folks.